Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Whether you have been using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app for a very long time or you are new to Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you get product at a very cheap price, huge discount going on right now on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. All you have to do is to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to benefit some of these discounted and buy product at a very cheap price and still maintain the high quality of the product from any store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDovish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, so you will see a banner from the home page right here. So what you need to, so if you cannot see a banner like this on your home screen on your Pinduoduo shopping app, go ahead and click on here. You are doing the same thing. So I'm going to click on this particular banner right here, and you are here. For every product you buy from this particular category right here, you are getting it at a very discounted price. Let's say, for instance, I'm interested in this office chair. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click on the product link. They take you right here. Go ahead and click on the product link right here. Then you have it right here. So as at the time of making this video, instead of paying 360 yuan to purchase this product, you are paying 142.9 yuan. You have saved huge discount right here. Okay, so we can go back right here. So you can go on and check on different products right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products that is going to load up right here at a very huge discount right here. However, you can come to the top right here and source by category. Click on here, you see another category in these sections right here. So it's going to load up. You have clothes category. So everyone you buy from this section right here, you are getting huge discount on that particular product. Let's say, for instance, if you are interested in this particular one right here, go ahead and open up the product link. Then you have it right here. So instead of paying 160.6 yen, as at the time of making this video, you are just paying 67 yen to purchase this product right here. So let's go back. Then if you want to check on another category right here, come to the top right here. It's going to load another category. Okay. Now you have another category right here. You have shoe, you have wristwatch. The more you scroll down, the more you see different store right here entirely. So whoever you choose from here, you are getting the product at a very discounted price. So let's take a look at this shoe right here. Here we go. So instead of paying 228 yuan, as at the time of making this video, you are paying just 29 yuan to purchase this shoe. That is good discount for that matter. So let's go back. This is another category right here. It's load up. These are foods category. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different stuff. Go ahead and check on another category right here. You have clothing, winter clothes. So scroll down, continue to scroll down and see more. Check on another store right here. Then it's going to load up another thing entirely, just like what you see right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products in this category right here. Go ahead and click on another category. There are much more thousands of category of different products right here that you can buy at a very cheap price as far as this huge discount is concerned on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's take a look at another category right here. You have makeup sections. Here you get makeup tools at a very cheap price. Let's take a look at another category right here. You have underwear section at a very cheap price for ladies, for men, and the likes. So you can swipe this way and see more category right here. So go ahead and explore and take advantage of huge discounts going on right now on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe for more tutorial about China importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDovish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to follow your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.